Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI) unveiled a full-scale mock-up of TF-X National Combat Aircraft (MMU) at the ongoing Singapore Air Show 2022. The mock-up was flanked by models of various weapons and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Reported Janes. This is for the first time that TAI has showcased a TF-X mock-up in an Asian country. The official Twitter handle of defense giant BAE Systems said, "We work with Turkish Aerospace to bring know-how and engineering expertise to the TF-X program." TAI is also displaying mock-ups of additional platforms it has created. On March 18, 2023, the tf-X MMU will be unveiled for the first time, with a maiden flight scheduled for 2026, according to Daily Sabah. The TF-X is a fifth-generation fighter that looks similar to Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II. The indigenous aircraft will eventually replace the Turkish Air Force's F-16 fighters, which are to be phased out by the 2030s. The TF-X is a twin-engine multi-role aircraft designed primarily for air-to-air missions, but it could also be employed for air-to-ground missions. The National Combat Aircraft (MMU), a fifth-generation indigenous stealth fighter jet and one of the country's long-awaited technology projects. Temel Kotal, General Manager of Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI), which is the main contractor of the project, told Anadolu Agency (AH) that the production process is progressing well and that the prototype, which includes avionics, control and hydraulic systems, will be unveiled for the first time on March 18, 2023. The tf-X MMU is a fifth-generation jet with similar features to Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II. The domestically built aircraft is being developed to replace the Turkish Air Force's Command's F-16 fighters, ahead of the gradual phasing out of the latter throughout the 2030s. Turkey's fifth-generation stealth fighter, TF-X, is likely to make its first flight in the next 3 years. A regional military power, Ankara desperately needs an advanced fighter jet, and TF-X, projected as a Turkish equivalent of the US F-35, is expected to fulfill that need.